Welcome back to our video course on time management. In this video, we will be discussing strategies for managing email and other digital communication to help you manage your time more effectively. 1. Set aside specific times for checking email. Set aside specific times of the day to check and respond to email, rather than checking it constantly throughout the day. 2. Prioritize your emails. Prioritize your emails based on importance, and respond to the most important ones first. 3. Use filters and labels. Use filters and labels to organize your emails and make it easier to find specific messages. 4. Use the 2-minute rule. If an email can be handled in 2 minutes or less, take care of it right away. If not, schedule it for later. 5. Use templates and canned responses. Use templates and canned responses to save time when responding to common questions or requests. 6. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails. Unsubscribe from emails that are not relevant to your work or interests. 7. Use a digital calendar. Use a digital calendar to schedule and manage appointments and deadlines. 8. Take advantage of Do Not Disturb settings. Use the Do Not Disturb settings on your phone or computer to limit interruptions during specific times of the day. 9. Be mindful of the tone and language used in digital communication. Be mindful of the tone and language used in digital communication to avoid misunderstanding and conflicts. 10. Lastly, set boundaries. Learn to set boundaries and communicate them to others to manage the volume and frequency of digital communication. In conclusion, managing email and other digital communication is an essential part of time management. By following these strategies, you can effectively manage your time and make progress towards your goals. Remember, time management is a process that requires practice and patience, so be willing to adjust and adapt as you go along. Thank you for watching this video on strategies for managing email and other digital communication. We hope it helps you manage your time more effectively and make progress towards your goals by organizing, prioritizing, and streamlining your digital communication.